I love this question. So the kitchens are exactly what sold me on Miller and Smith. My best friend actually owns a Miller and Smith in One Loudoun, and so that also helped with the process of me deciding that this would be the builder for me. Her kitchen is immaculate, and so is mine. It's all white. I love the selections, the sliding, the middle sliding panels, and the cabinets underneath and the top. The little shadow. It's almost like a 3D type of shadow that goes on with an upgrade. It was immaculate. It's immaculate. It makes me smile every day. It's literally when you come in the house, it's the first thing you see, right? Besides coming up the stairs, that's where you are. Deborah was amazing in even offering some suggestions that would help me seal the deal on what I wanted this dream kitchen to be. So from my bronze knobs and pulls to the soft clothes, everything is exactly what I thought it would be, and I love now cooking in this kitchen. It's a gourmet kitchen, absolutely.